So after creating my instances, for instance, this test instance, I found it difficult to connect via AWS CLI interface, which is the command prompt here. So, for instance, if I go to CD, where my private key is, which is this, we're advised to run this command if necessary to ensure the key is not publicly viewable. So I tried running this command on command prompt on Windows operating system, but I found it difficult to work. It wasn't working, so I couldn't connect. So this is what I did. So let's just try running the command. Let's go to where the file is in my directory. So cd we have desktop. So we have AWS. Sorry. So this is my private key that I'm meant to use that command on, which is okay, set mode what's it called, 400 key .pm. So apparently this command is not recognizable on CMD, and with that I won't be able to connect straight up to my instance I just created. So if I try this, I will keep having this private key will be ignored. It is required that your private key files are not accessible by others. Permission denied. Another thing I was also trying to do was maybe check perhaps the username isn't correct. Maybe I should use roots. So still the same thing. Let me use another one. So deny. So what I eventually did was to install what is called Windows Subsystem Linux. So on the PowerShell, Windows Subsystem Linux, you can see Windows Subsystem Linux is like a program, like a what's it called? Like a container present, or like a CLI command interface of Linux that will be usable on your Windows machine. So what you do is just log in, go to your PowerShell, and run as administrator. So with this, we are going to install Windows Subsystem Linux on our Windows machine, so that we can be able to do perform what's it called, Linux. We can be able to perform Linux functionalities without having to create or install a VM on our Windows. So what you just do is WSL dash install. You have to be connected to the internet. So what this command would do for you is to install the Ubuntu distribution of Linux on your system, and you have to restart. I will send I would attach a link on below the comment section for you to follow, so that you can see how you can install this Linux directly on your system. So, but apparently, writing this command gives you the installation package successfully. So you have to restart your system after the installation is complete, and so after that is complete, you have to restart your system, then go to your start menu, and you'll see the Ubuntu. Launch the Ubuntu interface. So yeah, I have an Ubuntu Linux command terminal interface on Windows machine without having to install virtual machine on my system. That's amazing. So with this, I should be able to use this command. I should be able to use this command to be able to set the appropriate permission for my key, and be able to connect to my last EC2 interface. So yeah, I have it here. So let's copy the file from where it's been downloaded. So what you have here is cd pwd. So I have this as home. Then going back to, so look at this MT and MNT. This MNT is like your C drive, the C drive of your Windows operating system, where all your files are in. There's a link between this Ubuntu CLI and your Windows operating system. So one of the things we want to do is we want to go and copy that file and paste it here on our CLI. So what you do is cp slash, okay, let's check. MNC slash users slash tiger sheep. Oh. So when we list this out, see this WLS, this is the key we want to copy. So I can say cp slash cp so this is new, this is what we are trying to copy. New the directory of on your WSL, your Ubuntu Linux. So press enter. So I'll go to so these are home directory for our Linux. Then next, okay, cd home. So this is the new key we just so now we have this file on our Linux terminal. So what we just do is copy copy this command, copy the command, and paste here. Paste here. Then copy this. Then copy this and paste. So the username for the Ubuntu we install is not admin, is Bitnami, which you are going to change. If you come here, this is instances. So there is the name Bitnami. So change it. So with this, I've been able to connect to my EC2 on AWS, and that resolves the public key access denied that we'll be having since morning. Thank you.